Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw XRP from Coinbase to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just diversify your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bitmart. If you don't, pause this video and get that sorted. It's quick and essential for what we're about to do. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, head over to the dashboard and find your XRP wallet. It's usually under the Assets tab. Click on XRP, and then select the Withdraw option. This is where the magic starts. Next, you'll need to grab your Bitmart deposit address. Log into Bitmart, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always double-check that it's specifically for XRP to avoid any mix-ups, as using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Back on Coinbase, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Check the address, the amount, and any fees displayed. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email from Coinbase, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XRP to show up in your Bitmart account, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Bitmart and verify that your XRP has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set to use it however you like. A quick heads up: crypto prices can be volatile, so keep an eye on the market. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.